me, Zinnia here, and today we will be making, drumroll please, buttercream frosting. Buttercream frosting is simple, delicious, and has ingredients most people have in their homes. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need. 2 sticks of softened butter, any kind of milk, vanilla extract, powdered sugar. The equipment you will need is a fork, a cup measure and a half cup measure, 1 teaspoon, and a large bowl for mixing. Let's get started. So the first step into making buttercream frosting is adding 2.5 cups of confectioner's or powdered sugar. The 2.5 cups are in, so now we will be adding our butter. Okay, now we will be mixing in the butter with the sugar, and it'll get really lumpy at times, but once we cream it all in, we will add our milk and vanilla extract, so it'll get really smooth out. Make sure that you get all of the powdered sugar mixed in before you add the milk and vanilla extract. Now that we have that down, we will add our 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, let's mix that in. This is gonna be so good. I can't wait. Okay, so pour in your milk, cream, almond milk, whatever, and just mix it in, and then you'll have this soft consistency. If it is too liquidy, you can chill it for a little while. If you're gonna put it in a cake, you can add more powdered sugar if you don't think you added enough. So just this is a basic consistency, and yeah, so that's how to make buttercream frosting. So we finished, and now I'm gonna taste it. Okay, here it is. It's really good. And it kind of tastes caramely with the vanilla extract and the butter. So it's really, really good. I have my lovely assistant here, my brother, and he will be trying the frosting. Does it taste good?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It tastes so good. Oh my god. Mm-mm.
Okay.
There's not too much. Oh my gosh.
Try
I'm not usually a fan of frosting.
Oh.
But this is very good. High five. Success.
And I would definitely recommend making it. Subscribe, like, and ding the bell so you can watch next week's video. Bye, guys.